Social Media 101 for business owners. So in this video we are going to talk a little bit about social media, which platforms exist and which ones you can use for your business and what you have to consider when using those platforms. So first things first, each social media platform works differently. I know many business people who copy paste content from one platform to the other because it is so easy. Honestly, don't do that. First of all, when you have several platforms in place and you share on every platform the same content, people have no interest following you on the other platforms, right? Because why would they? I mean, if you share every time the same thing, why would they worry about going into your other accounts? So you increase the engagement on the different platforms if you share different content on each platform. Second point why you should not copy paste that stuff is simply because each platform has a different target. So if you look at LinkedIn, for example, that's a social media platform for professionals. Would you share funny memes on LinkedIn when professional business owners, the big corporate managers see that? Is that really the image you want to portray? On Facebook, on Instagram, that may be great, but on LinkedIn, different things. Same, let's just stick with Instagram and Facebook. Instagram is made for pictures. So therefore, you have to have compelling pictures. Facebook loves, especially currently, Facebook loves Facebook Lives, so they want to do videos. Now on YouTube, you also have videos, but then again, the intent of the platform is different. On YouTube, people go to YouTube to learn something or to find a solution to a problem. People don't go on Facebook to find a problem or to find a solution for their problem. People go to Facebook for entertainment. So again, you see that each platform has a different purpose, and based on that purpose you have to deliver content that matches to the platform. It starts with different picture formats and video formats and the length that the video can have, but it goes also into the basics. So let's just stick on the high level. It's a one-on-one course, so let's just stick on the surface for now. So let's take the biggest one. So let's take Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and Google. So those platforms are they belong together. So Google purchased YouTube and Facebook purchased Instagram. So that's why you can always look at them together. Don't try to compare Facebook and YouTube. That will be difficult, okay? But those platforms belong together. So Facebook is done, and same as Instagram, they are made for entertainment. People go there to be entertained. That's why they go there. That's why it is difficult to pitch people directly on Facebook, and that's why, of course, in many groups you have certain rules on if you are allowed to share advertising and so on, because the first and primary purpose of Facebook and Instagram is to be entertained. That's why people are there. That's why I would never write a business owner of a big corporation on Facebook a pitch. That owner doesn't go to Facebook for being pitched. He has a LinkedIn profile for that. So let's pitch him over there, right? So it's always think about why people are there. So if you start pitching people on Facebook, you may have a problem because people may report you to Facebook if this is an unsolicited ad that they are getting. So be careful with that. YouTube and Google work totally different because YouTube and Google are search engines, and they are the places where people go when they have a problem. What do I do when I don't know what to do? I Google it, right? So, and then because Google is owning YouTube, you also see YouTube videos at the very top of that. So if you want to find buyers who are ready to pay money, Google and YouTube are much better than Facebook and Instagram because you have buyers who are already ready to buy. You have buyers who have a concrete problem where they need a solution, they look for a solution, and they are much more likely to buy because that's what they're looking for, right? Same with Amazon. You go on Amazon because you want to buy a book. You want to buy something, that's why you go there, right? So that's why these platforms have to be served differently. So on YouTube or on Google, it's great to if you have a solution, if you're a consultant, put a Google ad up there on the keywords that your target group searches, because that will be very likely to get you to success because people are looking for solutions. Facebook and Instagram can also get you clients. Of course, you can use the ads and so on, but the strategy is different because nobody on Facebook will just buy something just like that. because they go there for entertainment. So you have to educate them about the problem, you have to amplify it, you have to engage them, entertain them, and at a certain point in time they will say, oh, this is a really cool person and they deliver so much value, let me buy something. So the strategy behind it is different, and that's with each platform. So no matter if you use Pinterest, if you need Snapchat, whatever you use as a platform, you have to think about how can you make the best out of each platform, why are people there in the first place, and then how can you monetize this for yourself. This is of course something, of course you can copy paste, sure, if you don't have any time, before you do nothing, copy paste, but honestly it is not rather start with one platform and manage that platform consistently. And this is another key point in social media, consistency. It takes a longer time before people realize that you are offering something. Not everybody will see it. On average, on a business page, maximum 10% of the people who like your business page will see the content. That means you will have to post over and over again to make sure people are actually seeing that. In groups, the engagement is a bit higher. Again, groups, social media, Facebook. Facebook wants groups and they promote groups because this is a social gathering of people with the same interest, which is why there's more likeliness to be engagement and discussions and communications, which is why Facebook is promoting that. Therefore, the reach in a group is approximately 20 to 30% compared to a business page, because Facebook promotes that, right? So think about that, okay? But then the key point in any social media is you need to post consistently and you need to post value. It's always about value no matter what you do. It's great to see you somewhere at an event, but what does this say about you? Unless you're a speaker. So I got feedback in the early phases of my Instagram page where people said, hey, I really like your Instagram page, but what are you actually doing? And since I changed that and I promote what I do on the pictures, people start asking me for advice. So just a little tweak in what pictures do you post is a totally different outcome in terms of what does it get to your business. Since people see what I do on the pictures, they are like, ah, she can help me with this, and oh, she's doing that, great, and oh, she's also doing this. Now the people come to me and ask me for support because now they understand on the picture what I do. Because honestly, on Instagram, almost nobody's reading the caption. They look at the picture, and only when the picture is interesting to them, then they look at the caption, maybe. So there you have it. So this is a one-on-one. It's really just the simple basics. So with that information, go ahead and define your strategy. If you need help with defining your strategy, you can reach out to us at workonyourbusiness.com/strategy call, and we can help you do that together. We look at your business, we look at where your customers are, and we design that strategy with you. This video is part of a video series called Solutions for Business Owners. You will find similar of those videos around here. My name is Mona Tenjo, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Work on Your Business, and we help business owners to focus on the right tasks so that they can really grow their business to the next level and make sure their business works without them and still earns them money. With that said, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.